I have come to the Hornburg, where the Westfold stands at the wall, and the night does not break us before the dawn. Tonight, dinner shall be a siege stew, slow, deep, and the kind that holds a long watch together. Pat the beef shank bone dry. Moisture is the enemy of the Maillard fire, as it is the enemy of every hearth in Rohan's long winters. With a thin blade, cut the meat into 1-inch cubes, even as stones are set upon the deeping wall. Heat oil in a heavy iron pot until it shimmers. Lay the beef in batches. Do not crowd. Hold each cube until a deep, dark crust forms beneath. This is the fond, the gold from the fire, the wealth of every war cook in Théoden's kitchens. Lift the seared meat aside. Now tumble in the pearl onions, ivory as the helms of Westfold, and the smashed garlic, papery skins falling. Saute until they take a soft golden colour, like torchlight upon cold stone within the glittering caves of Aglarond. Now, deglaze. Pour in the dark stout, mahogany and bitter as the long night watch. Then the dry red wine, the garnet of Dorwinion. Scrape the bottom of the pot vigorously. Lift every dark grain of fond from the iron. Nothing of the sear is left behind. Return the beef to the pot. Add the chopped carrots, the parsnips, and the white and violet turnip, uniform chunks, for they must cook as one, even as the Rohirrim ride as one host across the deeping coombe at dawn. Pour in the beef stock, only enough that the liquid barely covers the meat and the roots. Concentration is everything. Lay across the surface 4 sprigs of thyme and 2 of rosemary, like green banners across dark water. Set the lid slightly ajar and bring the stew to a medium-high bubble. Hold it there. Reduction draws the flavour close. The collagen of the shank breaks swift as a cracked shield. Stand at the wall. Listen for the horn. Wait. When the meat is tender and the sauce is glossed dark, lift away the woody herb stems. Spoon the stew into a deep iron bowl and serve it forth with crusty hearth bread for the dipping. The night does not break us. The dawn comes. Namárië.